I got to get to Equifax. It has been hit with more than 24 lawsuits since the massive cyber breach. Look who's here. Mark Lanier with the Lanier law firm. He looks the same as he did a couple of years ago when he was our favorite lawyer to go to. All right, Lanier, may I call you that? I'm going to lay out what's going to happen. You are going to try to be the lead law firm in the class action lawsuit. When you win, you will make a great deal of money, and us poor plaintiffs, the 143 million who've had our information revealed, we might get a coupon. What do you say?
Oh, heavens no. We've got to do much better than that. Look, here's the problem. Equifax has no other exposure other than lawyers. If I don't come take care of you, Stuart, nobody's going to. The federal government's not, nobody else. What I've got to do for you, though, is get you not a coupon. I've got to get you security that's going to help you protect your information 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years out when someone steals your identity and takes a loan out in your name.
So I know you filed a lawsuit. Let's get serious here. You filed a lawsuit. Yeah. On what grounds and what damages are you claiming?
Well, the damages are clear. 144 million Americans have had their identities breached or stolen by this horrible thing that's happened. And understand, this isn't like Yahoo where you use Equifax. Equifax has your information, and nobody uses them except banks who want to give you a loan, or employers who want to check to see if you're useful, or home lenders who want to see if you're going to be okay in the home. So people access this data, but no American goes to Equifax and hires them. That doesn't happen. So they've stolen the data, and the problem is you won't know until you've had someone use your credit or something like that. So what we got to do is we got to monitor this.
It looks to me like you've got a slam dunk case, to be honest with you.
I think it's a very solid case. What we have to do, though, is exactly what you pointed out, Stuart. Make sure lawyers don't get into this who are on Equifax's side, in a sense, and just looking for a quick lawyer payday without taking care of the customer.
Equifax has a market capitalization. It's worth $13 billion. You know, you could put them out of business.
Well, I don't know that we'll do that, but what we do need to do is make them pay to monitor and to take care of those people. You know, look, they ought to be as secure as a bank. We live in an internet age. Internet companies like that have to have security of a high level. They've got all your information, Stuart.
Yes, they do. Do you think you can bring them to the negotiating table before it goes to a jury or to the judge?
Absolutely. They can't afford to let this go to a jury.
You know, Mark Lanier, are you a Trump guy? I know that you are a Christian minister. I know that. And I know that you are a lawyer extraordinaire. You still a Trump guy?
I got to tell you, and I'm a Republican.
Yes, you are.
I do have to tell you that I'm a big fan of a number of Republicans, including Paul Ryan. I'm a big fan of a number of things that Trump has done. And I applaud his bipartisanship. What you said about tonight, I think what you said at the top of the hour is spot on. We need to find some way of him doing some bipartisan work for middle-class America. So I'm a fan of some things. I'm not a fan of some other things, to be honest.
Okay, you want to come back on the show?
Always, always.
Good, good. Glad to see you again, Mark. You're a good man, and we appreciate you being here.
It's the best show on TV. Everybody keep Stuart on.
Thank you. I like that.
Wow.
You're coming back tomorrow. Okay. Thanks, Mark. We'll see you again soon.